Selling tickets for your seminar? Nothing kills momentum faster than a checkout that crashes right when demand spikes. Event hosts see sales slip away every year because their systems are not built for the surge. Here's a quick, beginner friendly way to keep track of your seminar ticket sales. Set up a Google Sheet with order ID, payment method, and status. When a payment shows as pending or failed, you can spot it immediately and follow up with the customer. It is a handy method to see issues as they happen, but it cannot prevent your checkout from crashing if too many people try to buy at the same time. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their hosted checkout keeps your ticket sales running smoothly, even when demand spikes. And with transaction routing, payments automatically reroute across accounts if one runs into an issue. It is an easy, reliable way to sell tickets without losing a single sale. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With hosted checkout and transaction routing, you will never have to worry about missing sales during your big seminar launch. Selling tickets should be exciting and not stressful. EasyPay Direct makes it simple to accept payments smoothly, keep your merchant accounts secure, and focus on delivering a great event. Use the link in the description to get started today.